Have you ever pondered over the importance of water and how it forms? Picture this: the Earth, billions of years ago during its formation, was a hotbed of collisions between hydrogen and oxygen atoms. This was when and how water was formed, as these atoms combined under extreme temperatures and energy levels to create the life-sustaining molecule we know as H2O. Today, the Earth does not possess the required heat to replicate this process, meaning the water we use now is the same water that was formed all those billions of years ago. Now imagine this water in a constant, never-ending cycle, moving from the Earth's surface to the atmosphere and back again. This is the water cycle, an intricate process powered by the sun's energy and the force of gravity. Water evaporates from the oceans, ascends into the atmosphere, forms clouds, returns to the surface as precipitation, and ultimately flows back into the oceans via rivers and underground reservoirs. With this ever-circling motion, the amount of water remains constant. The water we drink, utilize, and live with is the same water that has existed for ages, refreshed and replenished through this miraculous cycle. But the role of the water cycle extends beyond just providing us with water. It's also a critical element in climate regulation, playing a significant part in controlling temperatures on the Earth's surface. Water vapor and clouds act as a balancing force, with clouds blocking some of the sun's rays to cool the surface, and water vapor helping to regulate temperature in the atmosphere. So let's recap what we've learned about the water cycle and climate regulation. First, these processes ensure the continuous reuse of water, keeping our water sources clean and refreshed, which is vital for life. Second, they help to control temperature fluctuations on the Earth's surface, creating conditions suitable for life. And third, they assist all living beings on Earth in adapting to different ecosystems and meeting their water needs. The water cycle and climate regulation are not just scientific phenomena, they are miracles that reflect the delicate and flawless balance of nature. They provide the fundamental elements necessary for life to continue on Earth. So the next time you take a sip of water, remember the miraculous journey it has been on and the critical role it plays in sustaining